Hello everyone. We have a special topic, a guide to architecture thesis. Whether you are a student navigating through the process or just curious about the world of architecture, introduction to architecture thesis. To kick things off, let's talk about what an architecture thesis is. Your thesis is essentially the culmination of your academic journey, a project that showcases your skills, ideas, and creativity. It is more than just a paper, it is a tangible expression of your passion for architecture. Choosing a thesis topic. Now, one of the most critical aspects is choosing the right thesis topic. It should be something that excites you and aligns with your interest. Consider exploring emerging trends in architecture and addressing a real world problem or delving into a specific architectural style. Conceptualizing your design. With your data in hand, it is time to start conceptualizing your design. Think about the narrative you want your architecture to tell. Consider the site, user experience, and how your design fits into the surrounding context. Developing your thesis proposal. Once your concept is solidified, it's time to develop your thesis proposal. This should include a clear outline of your project and your design approach and the methodology you will follow. This proposal will guide you through the execution phase. Design and execution process. Now, let's talk about the nitty-gritty, the design and execution process. This is where your creativity truly shines. Use digital tools, physical models, and drawings to bring your vision to life. Don't forget to document your process along the way. Remember, this is your opportunity to showcase your unique perspective and contribute something meaningful to the world of architecture. Embrace the journey, stay creative, and best of luck with your thesis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching.